Welcome to Best Choice. The best M1A2 Abrams is probably one of the most formidable main battle tanks ever created, a true powerhouse on the modern battlefield. This beast combines raw firepower, exceptional mobility, and robust survivability features, making it a force to be reckoned with. Join me as we dive deep into the heart of this armored giant, exploring its capabilities and understanding why it remains a symbol of military might. Number 5. Tamiya M1A2 Abrams Model Kit. This is the Tamiya M1A2 Abrams Model Kit. It's a detailed 1/35 scale armor model, perfect for enthusiasts. Build your own version of this iconic tank. The kit comes with commander and loader half-body figures. These figures add a realistic touch to the model. They bring the tank to life. Parts to reproduce the Marine Corps version are included. This allows for specific customization. You can build the tank to your exact specifications. The model is 1/35 scale. This provides a great balance of detail and size. It's a fantastic addition to any model collection. Get ready to build your own M1A2 Abrams. It's a rewarding project for any modeler. Enjoy the process of creating this impressive tank. What we like. This model kit offers a detailed Marine Corps version, perfect for enthusiasts. It includes commander and loader figures, adding realism to your display. If you are looking for a highly detailed and accurate representation of the M1A2 Abrams, this is the one for you. What people say. This kit will let you assemble one of the following: 2 different M1A2s from 3 ACR circa 2003, 1 US Army M1A1 from 2003, a USMC M1A1 also from 2003, and then 2 US Army tanks operating in Germany or Kosovo circa 1999. Assembly is pretty easy. Instructions are clear, each different type of tank has clearly marked call-outs for specific assembly steps. Number 4. Feleph M1A2 Tank Set Military Model Kit. This incredible set is perfect for model enthusiasts. It comes with over 1463 pieces, providing a challenging and rewarding building experience. Get ready to create something amazing. The set offers a unique 2-in-1 design. You can choose to build either a 1/18 scale armored vehicle or a 1/28 scale M1A2 tank. The choice is yours. Before you begin, make sure to check all the pieces and the instructions. If you need any help, don't hesitate to reach out to us through the buyer-seller messaging system. We're here to assist you. Made with premium ABS plastic, this model kit boasts great detail. It includes many small pieces, so building it will take some time and patience. The result will be worth it. This model features many movable joints, including a 360-degree rotating fort turret with an adjustable main gun. You can also adjust the side and front gates. Customize it to your liking. What we like. This set allows you to build either an armored vehicle or an M1A2 tank. It features movable joints, including a rotating turret. If you enjoy building and customizing, this set provides a versatile and engaging experience. What people say. The build itself was straightforward and the instructions easy to follow. LEGO does not make military sets, and this one makes the grade in its design and is as accurate as you can get using bricks. I was completely taken by surprise and now have an awesome LEGO M1A2 Abrams on display. Upon ordering, I was a bit worried about the brick quality and the overall appearance of the completed set. Once I opened the packaging and got started on the mini project, I was immediately surprised by how well each brick snapped onto each other and how durable each brick felt. The build itself is sturdy. Aside from the turret that's mounted onto the hull, there were only a few studs connecting the two together, which is honestly not a big deal. In terms of appearances, the LEGO tank is pretty spot on. I did shorten the barrel length just a tiny bit to get a closer representation of the M256 that's mounted on the real tank. The interior houses the turbine engine, munitions stowage, and some crew space. I also found it cool how the set even included an M2HB and what looks like a 249, hard to tell in LEGO form, as some secondary armaments. My point is that they really put a lot of attention to detail in the overall design. Number 3. Henglong 116 M1A2 Abrams Tank, Camouflage. This tank features an upgraded steel gearbox. This enhancement makes the tank more wear-resistant, significantly extending its service life. You'll notice the difference in durability. The tank is equipped with metal tracks, a metal sprocket wheel, and a metal idle wheel. These metal components provide increased robustness and a more realistic look and feel. They contribute to the tank's overall performance. Enjoy the 360-degree rotating turret, a modification that allows for full range of motion. This feature enhances the tank's playability and adds to the realism. It's a custom edition for a better experience. It comes with a modified 3800 mAh high-power rechargeable NMH battery. This provides extended playtime, so you can enjoy the tank for longer periods. It's a significant upgrade for enhanced fun. Experience more realistic sounds with the modified sound box. Handmade and installed, it simulates engine and cannon sounds. This feature adds to the immersive experience. What we like. This tank boasts a durable steel gearbox and metal tracks for enhanced performance. It features a 360-degree rotating turret, offering full control. If you are looking for a robust and highly maneuverable remote control tank, consider this one. What people say. Tank operates very well on hard surfaces and solid off-road surfaces. The airsoft gun shoots quite well and accurate. The infrared battle system is nice for indoor competition with better than 25 feet range. Number 2. COBI Armed Forces M1A2 Abrams Tank. Introducing the COBI Armed Forces M1A2 Abrams Tank. This impressive model is packed with detail and ready for action. It's a great addition to any collection. This tank is built with 975 high-quality elements. The pieces fit together seamlessly, ensuring a sturdy and enjoyable building experience. You'll be amazed by the level of detail. The set includes an American tanker figurine. This adds a realistic touch and allows for imaginative play. It's perfect for recreating historical battles or creating your own scenarios. This product is produced in the EU by a company with over 20 years of tradition. The quality and craftsmanship are top-notch. You can trust in its durability and design. The set comes with clear and intuitive instructions. They are based on illustrations and step-by-step directions. It's easy to follow, making the building process fun and accessible. This tank is fully compatible with other brands of construction blocks. It can be integrated into existing collections or used to expand your building possibilities. The possibilities are endless. What we like. This model includes high-quality elements and an American tanker figurine. It's fully compatible with other brands of construction blocks. If you are looking for a building block tank that is easy to assemble and compatible with your existing collection, this is a great choice. What people say. This model is fantastic. The result is sturdy and super detailed. The stencil graphics, hate stickers. Number 1. Toucan Henglong 116 Abrams RC Tank. This tank features metal tracks, sprocket wheels, and gearboxes for enhanced durability. These steel gears provide better wear resistance, ensuring it can handle tough terrains. Engage in thrilling tank battles with the infrared combat system. It supports multiple players, allowing you to experience the excitement of a tank war with friends. Experience realistic firing with 6mm BB pellets, complete with hull recoil action and sound effects. The shooting range extends up to 20 meters, adding to the realism. The turret offers 360-degree limitless rotation, giving you full control. You can also control the barrel's movement, adjusting it up and down for aiming. Enjoy the realistic LED lights and idle smoking effect. When it runs fast, the smoke gradually increases, adding to the immersive experience. Remember to add liquid into the tank. What we like. This RC tank features metal tracks and an infrared combat system for interactive play. It shoots 6mm BB pellets with recoil action and sound effects. If you like realistic tank combat and shooting, this tank will bring you a lot of fun. What people say. Well detailed, many metal parts, correct sound effects for the turbine engine, smoke effects, etc. It has metal tracks and wheels, all the wheels not just the idlers, steel gearbox, and the barrel is also metal. The firing system works great and is a bit more powerful than the T-34s. The infrared system is pretty cool too. The BBS aren't fired with enough force to do any damage, but when hit by another tank, the tanks will detect that they've been fired on and shut down. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.